Welcome to another review. Today we are looking at the Belkin boostcharge power bank 10K. This has two USB ports and one USB-C port for in and output, and it has a 15-watt output, and it comes pre-charged, which is good because I need it straight away. It also has a LED indicator for the battery power and comes with a USB-A to USB-C cable. 10K, it recharges your phone for up to 40 hours of additional video playback. So let's unbox this. So it looks quite large for a 10K battery pack. But it's fairly thin, so that's quite good. And is relatively lightweight. So they also should be. So there's a very short USB-C cable to charge the battery, and I wonder where the indicator is, but maybe it will light on when you plug in a device. So let's do that now. So I plugged in the power bank, but there's no indicator, so I don't know why they say there's a LED indicator. Let's see. But they have to say LED indicator for battery power, but I don't see any indicator. Oh, there it is. It's on the side. So the battery is new and it has 4 lights, so it must be around 80% charged when you buy it. So that was the quick unboxing of the Belkin boostcharge power bank 10K. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next one.